It's Friday the 26th of August and we're having a party in the CBeebies house all this week. I'm so excited that I'm dressed as a lobster and ready to look at some of your birthday cards. Now this one is for Katie, and Katie, you're 5 years old today. Mr. Tumble and Tree Food Tom are here too. Happy birthday to you, sent with lots and lots of love on your 5th birthday. From Mummy and Daddy and your brother Mikey, your grandparents and all of your aunties, uncles and cousins. Happy birthday, Katie. Jude, it's your birthday today as well, and look at this great big birthday wave. You're 4 years old today and you're here with the Go Jetters and Ubercorn. Have a wonderful time celebrating. Sent with lots of love always, it says, from Mummy, Daddy, Madge, Pops, Grandma and Grandad and all of your family and friends. Enjoy your 4th birthday. Someone else who's celebrating today is Rose. And Rose, you're 6 years old, going on an Octonauts adventure. It looks absolutely brilliant as well. Look at that. Happy birthday to you, sent with lots of love from Mummy, Daddy, your big sister Emily, and all of your family. Enjoy your special day, whatever you get up to. Now, Dr. Bot, who else is celebrating today? Daniel, you are. Go Jetters, go! And you're 5 years old, so great big high fives to you. Have a brilliant time today, whatever you get up to. Sent with love from Mummy, Daddy, your brother Adam, Herbie the dog, and all of your family and friends. Happy birthday, Daniel. This next birthday card is for Caleb. And Caleb, you're 2 years old today. We've got baby Jake here, Postman Pat as well, Mr. Bloom, Mr. Tumble, and Bing. Have a good one. Sent with love and kisses from Mummy, Daddy, Grandma, Uncle David, and all of your South African family. Enjoy being two. Now, this next birthday card is for Clara. And Clara, it's so pretty as well. We've got butterflies here. We also have some birthday flowers, and it's a lovely picture of you as well. Happy birthday, sent with love from Mummy, Daddy, and all of your friends and family in the UK and the Czech Republic. Happy birthday, Clara. If it's your special day today, happy birthday to you.